Fuck you! Oi! Putain ta... You see me behind? Excuse me? Gangsta, yeah?
Go fuck yourself. Stay to it.
Gangsta, yeah?
Yo,
Yo, what?
why'd you pull right out in front of me?
You better get your ass the fuck from in front of me, boy.
Alright, well, you see all the shit going? You cut me off right in
I
front
don't
of
give
me.
a fuck what I did. You walk up to my goddamn
Well,
car.
I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off, you're gonna kill somebody, dude.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna kill me?
Go
Okay.
get back on your motorcycle.
That's what you better do.
Go, not today.
I
This is
wish
the
you would.
holidays. Get on your motorcycle.
Alright,
This is the holidays.
don't start pushing on me. He
Get
cut
on
me
your
off, alright?
motorcycle.
Touch
This is
I'll
the
get on it. I'm
holidays.
not gonna touch her. Why would I touch her? You cut me off. You're gonna
Anybody
kill
can cut
somebody,
you off
dude.
anytime. Get in your
You ain't gonna kill me.
Do me a favor.
Alright,
Happy holidays.
do it.
Okay?
Have a
Happy
good
holidays.
Christmas. Have a good
Man,
Christmas,
stop
ma'am.
all this foolishness.
Have a.
Stop it.
I'm not doing none. 118XZH, motherfucker. Go, bitch. Glad I got that on camera. Good.
What was wrong? You know, you need to read the highway code. Filtering is legal. He's got a camera. We all have cameras. It's for legal requirements. Like, seriously. You have, look, your mirror's not even open. Look, that's illegal to drive like this. Look, you have no mirror. How can you? Look, people like you kill us bikers. Excuse me, look. You know it's bike season. Look your mirror. You honked the horn because you didn't see him. Please open your mirror. It's dangerous to drive like this. You were stationary. You have, look, exactly, we have the right to filter, and you don't have your mirrors open. Look, excuse me, you're raising your voice at me, and the thing is, you have no mirror open. This is illegal. It's same as you have no mirror. I have your number plates on my camera. RJZ7961. You nearly cut that person off. You have no, look, you nearly cut that person off. You need to learn how to drive.
Oh, you better be scared for your life right now. I'm gonna yell at you so hard. Oh my God, come on, stop me at a light. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you better not look at me. Open your eyes up, nah. Hey! Look at me! Oh, you stopping at a light. Let's go. Open your window down. Open your eyes next time. You almost killed me. Open your eyes next time.
What up, man? How goes it? What are you up to? Living the dream.
I can't hear you over the sound of your beautiful mic.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
When it's your life, you won't be dapping.
She said when it's your life, you won't be dapping.
Again,
Because we pounded it?
and I'll have your license plate.
Because we pounded it?
No, because I passed her.
Oh. What are you gonna do? It happens. Yeah, dude, I was just coming down the highway, northbound, and there was a shitload of cars.
Yeah?
So I split a little bit, but no one got too pissed.
Oh, dude, people get pissed at me all the time.
Yeah?
I just don't give two fucks. You get to be 32 years old and just stop fucking caring.
Yeah. Well, you gotta do your own thing, and also...
Thanks. There's plenty of space. She's not riding.
Well, here, pull over up here.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh. You're getting...
Circles around you.
You got closer.
Sei lá, você não sabe andar na estrada.
Não liguei o pisca.
Você ligou o pisca em cima do continente. Você sabe perfeitamente.
Eu vinha a falar.
Ouça,
Não reparei, agora
está tudo bem.
logo cobrei o nome do chama.
Ouça, você só tem uma coisa a fazer. Reconheceu que fez mal, não fez? Pronto, está desculpado. E eu peço desculpa igual. Está desculpado. Mas pronto, para a próxima faça mais atenção. Sabe porquê? Porque se eu lhe bato, você fica com risco no carro. E eu não fico com risco no corpo. Tá bom? Vá, faça atenção. Boa viagem. É?
Santa bem ou não?
Está tudo bem.
Todos em Santa bem.
É ótimo. Vá. E trava bem. Está a ver? What the fuck are you doing? Fuck you. Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm just filtering, mate.
No, listen.
I'm filtering.
We share the road, motorcycles, which I drive as well, and cars. We share the road. We don't fucking cut people up. We share the road.
I
You've
feel
got a
good.
camera, you're an idiot. Yeah, you can laugh, mate.
Yeah, I
you're a
can.
fucking twat. We share the road. Yeah? I shouldn't have to brake to let you in. That's how it works.
Right, okay.
Yeah. And I'm a fucking motorcyclist as well, you twat.
That's it. I'm fucking getting this guy, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Come on, man. Fuck you.
Stupid! What's wrong?
You don't pull in front of a truck like that, asshole!
What truck?
This truck!
Well, why are you tripping? The fuck out of here. The hell out of here. The hell out of here, you trip ass motherfucker. The fuck out of here. Fucking hell.
The average biker who cannot wear fucking gears.
See? Cannot wear fucking gears, nothing. I'm gonna be mean, but he's probably too fat to wear anything, to be honest.
Yo! Deixa eu ver, ainda não tira, mano. Enough? What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you serious, dude? Are you fucking kidding me? Hell no. Hell fucking no. Are you fucking kidding me? Come here. Come here. Fuck you. Really? Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. Look at you. Look at you. What the fuck is your problem? You don't pass someone like that. You want to have some fun and play around? You don't pass someone in their same fucking lane. I'm on a bike, you're in a fucking car. If you get hit, it won't hurt you, okay? You don't pass someone in the same fucking lane. No. Huh? You don't pass someone in the same motherfucking lane. Huh? What the fuck are you gonna do?
What the fuck will you do?
You don't pass someone in the same fucking lane. Get back in your car and never fucking do that again. Never do that again.
I never do with you. I never do with you. I never do with you. I never do with you.
Shut the fuck up.
Like you.
No, you.